Today we are working on the paradiddle rudiment. Now a rudiment is just a sticking pattern, and there's a bunch of rudiments. There's 40 basic rudiments. But this one is a very, very common one, very, very useful pattern. The pattern combines single strokes and double strokes. So the 4-note pattern for the paradiddle is right, left, right, right. Again, we got single strokes for the first 2 notes, double stroke for the next 2 notes. Right, left, right, right. Now that pattern ends on the right hand, so if you keep it going, it's going to end up with your left hand lead, which is left, right, left, left. So the pattern, when I loop it around, goes like this. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Which is great. This is not how I want you to work on this pattern. This pattern is very useful for a drum set, especially when it comes to using accents around the kit. So with this pattern, paradiddle pattern, we're going to accent or make louder, play louder, our first note of the 4-group pattern. So I'm going to start here, but I'm going to bring my right stick up here and do a closed stroke here, not a full rebound stroke. I'm going to do a closed stroke for this one, so I can end up down here again. I'll start with the 4 notes, right hand lead. Right, left, right, right. So I have these notes down here, half strokes or lower. So I'll do that again, right hand lead, right, left, right, right. It's really important that you control your stick heights throughout this pattern, control where your accent is, and control the other notes after that. So that's the right hand lead. I'll do that again. Right, left, right, right. Same thing, left hand, closed stroke, followed by tap strokes. Left, right, left, left. Now I'll loop this around for a bit. Okay, that's the paradiddle rudiment. It's a really great rudiment to be working on. You really want to master this one because it's going to be very, very useful for everything that you do drumming. Okay, I'll see you for the next one. If you've always wanted to learn how to play drums in a low pressure kind of way, but had no idea where to start, this is for you. I've got a free beginner guide and video that will show you how to play your very first drum beat and drum fill, no drum set needed, just a practice pad and sticks. If you want me to send it to you, click the link in the description and I'll get it to you right away. Let's get you drumming.